Now market risk premium is 8.4. So in this equation, so the whole thing is going to be for me 3.2 plus a beta of 0.7 times market risk premium, 908. We just figured out what we didn't know. And to figure that out, we use the securities market line. You want to invest 14,000 and you want your portfolio expected return to be 9.02. You're considering two securities, A and B. Expected return of A is 1213, B is 871. How much of that you should invest in stock A if the rest is in stock B? Let's actually do this in Excel. We can do it algebraically. Let me move this. Dollar invested, and I know my portfolio. I know my portfolio is going to be how much? $14,000. I know that's an input. I'm going to calculate the weights, but expected returns are 1213 and 871. And I'm going to make this blue. I'm going to arbitrarily put $9,000 in there. Of course, the rest has to be in B, right? So if I tell you how much I put in an A, you should automatically tell me how much that's going to be in B. That's a total number. Something that I calculated, but it's not a final number. That's how I define total. Once I know those, I can calculate the weights. I'm going to make them blue. These are inputs, and that's the portfolio return, right? And I want portfolio return to be 9.02. Target minus actual portfolio return. So my problem is to figure out how much of the 14,000 I should invest in A, right? If I want a portfolio return of 902, which means what if analysis, goal seek, make that 0 by changing what I don't know. It's 1269. I don't know if that is correct. Yeah, it is correct. If you want to do that algebraically, expected return on the portfolio is equal to weight of A times expected return on A, 1 minus weight of A times you want that 902. Okay. Solve for weight of A, and amount in A is equal to weight of A times 14,000. We're just doing that a lot more easily in Excel, but if you wanted to do this algebraically, this is 9.02 equals so rate of A is going to be 9.02 minus 871 divided by let's find that out. This precisely the weight I got. I multiplied with 14,000. Yes. The difference is because of the round-offs. I don't actually round things here, but the other one does round it. Copy. This stock has a beta of 0.95, market risk premium is 0.87. Risk-free rate is 471. What's the expected return? This is the easiest question you can get, numerically speaking. Expected return is risk-free rate plus beta times MRP. Risk-free rate is 471. Beta is 0.95. Market risk premium is 807. It's that simple. 1238 roughly. Let's do one more problem, then we'll give a break. We did a problem like this, so I'll quickly do it. We're gonna solve it in Excel. Portfolio expected return. Let's put in the weights. 2086. Yes, 4306. The rest is in C. 960, 1465, and 1210. That's why I like using Excel. 1268. have anything wrong. Well, I would have accepted that as true. I'm good. Let's give a break. Let's get back here. Actually, I can finish chapter 12 in one lecture next week. Let's stop here today. I already posted the chapter 11 quiz. You have till next Wednesday. And I'm going to do a kind of a simplified version of chapter 12 next week. And that'll be your last quiz. And I'll set up the Blackboard so that you'll have a good idea what your grade would be once you finish the assignments.